Imagine holding a standard metal teaspoon that weighs exactly 6 billion tons. It sounds like a physical impossibility, but by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how the universe makes it happen. We build our control rooms and our daily lives around the physics we see here on Earth. But our corner of the galaxy is a rare exception to the conditions found in the rest of the cosmos. Take the vacuum of space. It is absolutely silent. Sound is just a vibration traveling through a medium like air or water, and out here, there is nothing to carry the wave. Even the most violent and explosive cosmic events, like a massive star tearing itself apart, occur in a total acoustic void. Time is equally deceptive. If you stood on the surface of Venus, you would find that a single day lasts longer than the planet's entire year. Venus completes its orbit around the Sun in about 225 Earth days, but it takes 243 Earth days just to rotate once on its own axis. Ticking clocks and traveling sound aren't universal constants. They are specific results of the atmosphere and rotation we have right here. To understand the scale of the universe, imagine every grain of sand on every beach on Earth. There are still more stars in the sky than every one of those grains combined. Yet we find anomalies just as strange much closer to home. Inside the Great Pyramids, archaeologists found a biological substance that has resisted decay for millennia. Scientists unearthing these 3,000-year-old tombs found jars of honey that were not only intact, but still perfectly safe to eat. Because honey has almost no moisture and a high natural acidity, it creates a chemical barrier that prevents bacteria from ever taking hold. While stars illustrate the scale of the cosmos, a simple jar of honey shows how chemistry can outlast civilizations. Deep sea biology is just as alien. The octopus navigates the lightless depths with 3 separate hearts and blood that runs blue. Their blood uses copper rather than iron to transport oxygen, an evolutionary adaptation that keeps them active in the freezing pressures of the deep ocean. Even common household foods have hidden properties. The bananas in your kitchen are actually measurably radioactive. They contain potassium-40, a radioactive isotope. You would have to beat 10 million bananas in one day to reach a lethal dose, but the radiation is there regardless. From copper-based blood to radioactive snacks, the bizarre is often hidden in plain sight. Bringing it back, so how do we get to a teaspoon that weighs 6 billion tons? This is the density of a collapsed supergiant, the neutron star. Most matter is actually empty. This diagram shows the massive distance between an atom's nucleus and its electrons. If you removed that empty space from the human body, every person on Earth would fit inside a sugar cube. In a neutron star, gravity is so powerful it eliminates that void, crushing everything into a solid mass of neutrons. Without that empty space, matter becomes so dense that a single teaspoon of it outweighs a mountain range. Our daily experience, the weight of objects, the sound of voices, is just a small, stable bubble in a universe defined by these extremes. Which of these facts changed your perspective the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.